Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you one of the just commence renovation that I've just started. When my clients engage me, they have already hacked the place, okay, because they hired someone else. Along the way, things didn't work out. So they hire me and to take over the place and design the entire apartment. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what have been hacked and my design proposal. So let's take a look now. Okay, so from the main entrance you can see that the living and dining is over here. Of course, there's got this fantastic sea view. But you may know where this condo is, okay, because you can see the Bedok Jetty. Today is raining. I can see somewhere there's a Bedok Jetty. Okay, so it's very nice, fantastic view. So my design proposal is not to block this view. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, and the walls have already been hacked down when I first came in. So I'm going to design some cabinet here, TV console, display, and also to segregate the master bedroom. Behind is actually the master bedroom. Okay, this is the master bathroom. It's not the common bath. Okay, but from now you see that it's such an open space, you might think that this is the common bathroom. So there's going to be an entrance door towards the master bedroom, and there'll be a piano here, TV feature wall, and then display. Okay, so at the far side will be the dining. Okay, for sure, because when you're sitting down, you can enjoy the view. At the back here, there'll be a mirror feature wall. The sofa is going to be here. So at the entrance side, I've designed two cabinets that segregates the foyer area. Okay, I purposely designed a foyer area for this apartment because if thought when you enter, okay, there's no foyer and there's no place to put a shoe cabinet. Okay, the space here is very tight because this is entrance to the kitchen. Over here is the living already. Okay, so there's no way you can have a shoe cabinet. Right, and over here there is a very nice space for a small study area. Okay, so I'm going to enclose this space with some glass so that the study room will not feel so claustrophobic. And over there, that's the kitchen entrance. I'm going to do a sliding door. Okay, and of course the sliding door has a glass also. Okay, so my client can actually see through from the door and at the same time enjoy the view. Right, this angle here you can still see the sea. Okay, as you walk in further, okay, this is the two common bedrooms. Okay, so this is going to be the son's room. This is the mom's room. Okay, this mom's room a bit narrower compared with the son. Okay, so the common bathroom is here. So common bathroom, the vanity, there's going to be a wall-mounted WC. Okay, the shower area is here. So shower area, there's going to be a low bench for the mom. Okay, so I've created this passageway. Okay, so this passageway all the way to the bedroom will be tiled with vinyl flooring. Okay, so it goes all the way into the master as well. At the living and dining will be the really big format tiles. That is the 800 by 800 floor tiles. So at the master bathroom is quite huge. There's going to be a wall mount WC shower. There's going to be a wall segregating these two areas. The entire vanity is going to be here. There's going to be two basins. Okay, mirror on top. So most of the condos, they have this box up. Okay, this part here used to have a box up. That's because the aircon was here and then they had the aircon tracking hidden inside the box up. So once you remove the box up, if you do not have the aircon here, then usually what you see is very raw wall. Okay, so all this needs to be plastered back and smoothened and paint over the entire stretch here. So right now the aircon blower is going to be at this side, and I'm going to extend a bit more because right now it's quite hot, right? Because it's like cutting through the main door. So I'm going to extend this out until somewhere here, okay, to form the entrance foyer. Okay, let's go into the kitchen. So kitchen quite straightforward. On the left there's a row of cabinet. On the right there's also a row of cabinet. Okay, so a lot of concealed piping. So as long as you hack the wall tiles away, you really need to redo all the wiring. Okay, because you can see there's a lot of holes here. Okay, on the conduit. Okay, this is a PVC conduit. Okay, so there are a lot of holes here and quite dangerous, right? Because it might affect the cable. So whenever you hack the wall tiles and the floor tiles, all pipings, wiring have to be replaced. So you can see this is the gas pipe. Okay, so this gas pipe, from the look of it, it hasn't been hacked. But this is the original gas pipe. But to be safe, it's best that you get the gas vendor to come and check the gas pressure, okay, if there's any leakage. Okay, if there's no leakage and the location of this gas valve is the correct position, then you would not need to replace the pipe. At least you know that it's safe, there's no leakage, there's no holes on the gas pipe. So going to the back of the kitchen would be the yard area, washing machine area. Okay, and then of course there's one small WC. Okay, so this WC is going to be the guest bathroom, or I can call it the powder room. There's going to be a small vanity here, WC. Okay, so at the back here will be the utility area. So nothing much to be done, mostly for storage. Okay, hi guys, thanks for watching this far. So I will update you with more videos along the way when there's more progress. Remember to like and subscribe and share my videos with your friends. I'll see you soon in my next video.